There are golf watches, and then there is the Hublot Big Bang Unico Golf, the ultimate timepiece for anyone who lives life on the links. Hublot has experimented with smartwatches, but this is not a digital timepiece. It's the world's first mechanical golf watch designed specifically to track your progress through the game. Hublot has a rich history in making watches linked to sport or sporting brands, from Ferrari to this year's cricket tie-up. The Big Bang Unico Golf is different. It's not just commemorating something, it serves a purpose. It has a genuine function, which it performs in a deliciously tactile manner. What does it do? It keeps your score. Look at the watch face. You'll see 3 windows at 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock and 6 o'clock, which show which hole you're playing, the shot count and the overall score. Because this is not GPS controlled, it doesn't alter these aspects for you. It's all done mechanically using the buttons on the side. Press the shot button every time you hit the ball, and the figure marked in yellow advances, along with the overall score at the bottom of the face. When you've sunk the ball, press the hole button to move on to the next, and the shot count resets to 0, while the overall score stays ready to continue counting. The buttons are extremely tactile and need some heft to operate. If you're used to soft touch buttons on a smartwatch or any digital device, it feels very different, like going back to a car without power assisted steering. When you press down, you can feel and see the movement operate, and it's a special experience. Using the Big Bang Unico Golf is something of an event in itself. This is emphasised further when you put it on. The 45mm case is large, and at just over 18mm thick, it's not a watch for the shy and retiring. However, it's highly wearable due to the 98-gram weight and the well thought out case design. It really could be worn at any time, despite being really only for golfers. Just check out the golf-inspired design details, from the putter-shaped buttons to the golf tee reset button and the golf glove style strap. The version you see here is Hublot's latest, in blue Texalium, and a case made from titanium carbon fibre ceramic with sapphire crystal over the face and the case back. It's a highly technical, wonderfully tactile piece of wearable art. The Unico movement inside has a specially developed scoring module added to it, and it's automatic with a 72-hour power reserve. Obviously, this is a Hublot watch, and you'll have to pay for the joy of owning one. It's $33,500 or £26,900 in the UK. And what's worse, there are only 200 being made, so you'll really have to work to find one. Hublot, despite having given us the Big Bang referee smartwatch last year, has said it won't make a smartwatch again. But if it continues to experiment with innovative and fun mechanical watches like the Big Bang Unico Golf, we don't really mind.